Today we'll make another classic, the whiskey sour. If you're new to the channel, thanks so much for joining us. We make a variety of classic recipes and crafted ones as well. In fact, you can call me the cocktailer. It's like a clothes tailor, but it's terrible. Don't call me that. Drink tailor? No, then you lose the pun. It's just we don't need to do a nickname. We'll just make the drink. Now we're ready to start, but before we do, I would be remiss if I didn't ask you to like and subscribe because it helps out the channel more than you might be aware. And also, I have to ask anyways because I hate being remiss. Sorry. To make the whiskey sour, you'll need several ingredients. I'll list them for you here. You will need 2 ounces of whiskey or bourbon. You will need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice and 3/4 of an ounce of standard simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water. And you might want to include an orange slice and maraschino cherry for garnish. You can also optionally dry shake with some egg white, although some would argue that doing so would make the drink a Boston sour. And so to be true to the video's SEO, I will be skipping the egg white today. But do look out for that exciting Boston sour sequel, coming any day now. All right, let's make this drink. Start with 2 ounces of whiskey or bourbon. 2 ounces right into your mixer. We're going to need 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice. We're going to squeeze that out of a fresh lemon. There we go. Another 3/4 ounces of standard simple syrup. I have some right here. Into the drink. Now we're going to shake this with some ice. Pour it on in. Now get your rocks glass and put a nice big fancy ice cube in there. And strain it on in. And for garnish, a nice orange slice and maraschino cherry. And that's it. All right, let's give this a try. Fantastic. All right, that's it. Simple. Now for the static outro, where I inexplicably change my shirt. Still here? That's really awesome of you. Honestly, thank you. If you like what we're doing here, one of the best ways to support us is to simply watch our videos all the way through to the end. Other ways to help us, if you like our videos, is to literally like our videos by tapping on the like thing. And even more importantly, subscribe to our channel by tapping on the subscribe thing. We humbly hope that you'll share what you found here with every last person you know, and that you'll aggressively demand that they do the same. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.